I hope you enjoyed the ASMR session earlier. So once I bring my AirTag closer to my mobile phone updated to iOS 14.6, I will get notification like this. I can give it a name, a custom name called mug. I used to locate my mug. So in order to remove the battery, just twist counterclockwise. It has one CR2032 battery. You just need to install it. So close in position, you get a click sound. And this is the icon I choose, I bought online. Next, I'm not going to throw this away. Maybe we can make use of this as a film, as a protective film. It's supposed to be attached here. So what we're going to do is, I plan to maybe cut this. The main intention is actually to protect the surface from any scratches after a few years of using, front and back. And then I bought this third-party holder, silicone holder. Let me know where can you get the protective film. Maybe I need to buy one. And then I push it into the silicone holder. I just need to tuck this plastic underneath the silicone. Maybe I'm gonna make do with what I have now until I get those protective film so online. Okay. I think for now. So how do I use it? With me here, I have a tumbler mug with me. I added this Velcro strap around it. The main intention is actually to attach this newly bought AirTag onto my tumbler. I remember it was once I misplaced my tumbler for almost 2 weeks. I'm not going to misplace my tumbler from now on. This is the first time watching video, kindly subscribe to my channel, press the bell button so that you get notified of my new video, and I appreciate your thumbs up. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye!